Pretty girl. What's that, Charlie? Gonna go poop? What do you have over there? Oh, whoa! What happened? Oh, throwing the cup out too? You throwing the cup? What you doing, baby? Thank you. Hi, Bella. Did you play in the tree? Oh, uh-oh. You don't want it in your basket? No? Oh, you silly girl. Ooh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You want your piece of wood back? Here you go. Ooh, nice. Oh, no, keep down here again. And put your other toys back up here. Here. Hello, pretty girl. Do you want to come here? We're going to tear it up. Oh, there it goes. You come here, Charlie? Hi. Hello, baby girl. You want to come here? No? You too busy? What are you doing, Bella? Oh, throwing more toys at Charlie. Ooh. What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing, baby girl? Hi, pretty. You getting that? You making a mess? You making a mess? Are you posing now? You want head rub? Good girl. Pretty girl. Yeah, be nice and gentle. Good girl. Nice and gentle. You want to shake my hand? How are you? It's a good girl, Bella. Huh? Hmm? What up, girl? Hi, Charlie girl. I'll come back over and see you. Sweet girl, Bella. You're being so nice. Can I kiss? Can you give me a kiss? There's nothing in my fingers for you. I don't have any treats right now, sorry. What are you doing? You tasting all of them? Okay. Can I have my hand back, please? Can you hand me back my hand? Give it back. Oh, let go, please. Bella, let go. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Here, let's go see Charlie again, okay? Oh, I know. Hi. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, did you get a treat? You pretty girl.